Hello everyone, we are given a data here and we are asked to find the interquartile range. Why am I bringing this question? Because I want to show you how you can find the interquartile range, not even interquartile, how to find the quartiles without using the position formula. For example, if you are looking for the third quartile, then you have to find its position by taking 3 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 4, right? This is going to give you the position of the third quartile. But once you can find the median of this data, then split the data into two. The upper part and the lower part. Then find their respective medians are said to be upper and the lower quartiles. And that is what we are going to do here. Remember, the interquartile range is equal to Q3, that is third quartile, minus Q1, which is the first quartile. So let's see how we can find them. You have to come to the middle, that is the median. So let me say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the median is 9. This is our what? Median. In another word, we can see that this is Q2. Q2 and second quartile and median are equivalent. So now from here we can also find the median 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see this is the median of the upper size of the data, and this is your Q3. Then come down here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is what? Q1. So I think this is better than using the position formula. But in case you have a group data, you cannot use this idea. So, this is going to be 25 minus 4, which is equal to 21. Q3 minus Q1, 25 minus 4 equal to 21.